This year we're going to be having 11 more houses join the network. So that would make it about 60 houses in total in the entire CDI network. What we're planning to do with our network is to get all the sewage from the houses and discharge it into the ponds here. What is exciting is that this latrine was just started yesterday and it's already at that height now. The community are actually visibly excited, and the guy who's going to own this latrine, he's really keen. He's been helping us, shovel some cement, and he's just really happy now, which is quite nice to see from us.
Well, this is a flexi jester. It is a large, storage bag basically, and what happens, sewage from the network comes in and naturally the sewage produces biogas. We have transport bags that are connected to that pressure regulator, and these bags fill up with biogas and are then sold or given to the community, and then the community can use it for cooking purposes. They have special stoves that use biogas.
So this is the Evapodryer. The main purpose of this is to dry the sewage that comes out of the biogas digester located on site. What the plan is to divert some of the flow of the sewage coming out of the biogas, collect it in the tank, put it into an oil drum and hoist the oil drum into place here. Then we use this dish to track the movement of the sun across the sky and concentrate the rays of the sun onto the dish, thus concentrating the sewage inside, evaporating off all the liquid and leaving just dry, a solid behind, which can be used as fertilizer once more ingredients are added to it. So the plan is to take the net waste of the system and reduce it to useful components. So biogas for cooking, and the effluent now becomes fertilizer, which can be used for agricultural purposes.
So the solar oven is conceptually similar to the Evapodryer. It uses the same dish, but it's bigger, so it can track the sun for longer. So the sun rays come over here, it's reflected onto this chamber here. So we've got the glass box. Now the reason why we use glass is it can retain heat like a greenhouse. So whenever this part of the box is heated, more heat stays for longer. We don't lose too much heat due to the wind. So when you open this up, we have the main cooking box on the inside. So we open this up, the food goes in there, we shut it up, and then close it. So we're expecting temperatures of up to 200 degrees for something to actually work, and hopefully this will do the job.
The best thing about volunteering with CDI is to get exposure, like to get to know more people, to get to be experienced. Because before I've never worked with any sanitation project. This is my first sanitation project, so I really liked it and I enjoyed it.